As you can see, this is an old one that I made last summer. You can see the split, the hole for the 2-inch, and this is how it closes and it opens and holds it. What I just showed you in that previous episode is going to be identical to this, just a shorter length of board. But here you can see how it all fits. And this is just to guarantee this doesn't come open while I'm lowering my casings. The hinges are put in and everything works good. On the end, I put 1/16 inch pilot holes, and then I drove in those real aggressive wood screws. Now I bought 2 of these hinges because they were very inexpensive. I normally like the long ones, but since basically everything's going to be supported by the hoist, I am a lot less worried about the weight on this. And if for some reason I decide there's some kind of an issue, I can put a strap of wood up here, screw into that, and put a locking mechanism so that when this thing closes, it's being supported by this piece also across the length. But I'm not anticipating any kind of problem with this because the weight's going to be on the wood. This just holds the pieces together, so it doesn't take a lot of pressure. The piece fits in there when everything's in place, and it's still nice and tight, even though I've removed 1/8 of an inch of diameter of wood. So that's how I make these.